This is part 4 of my blizzard hike to the Mississippi River Valley. If you've seen the other 3 parts, I hope you've enjoyed it so far. We're on part 4. My Lycan Shepherd Toki in the Mississippi River. I'm gonna head back up into the woods here. I can't see with all the snow blowing in my face. Wipe my lens off here. Just up that little embankment through the snow really wears you out through this 10 inches or so. Woo! Tree root under the snow took me down. You bastard. Again, the snow's so deep, I didn't see it. Holy cow. Wipe my lens off again. I gotta sit down and rest. Still got a long ways to go. What's up, Toki? Nice burp. Whew. Still got a long ways to go. Get back to the Jeep. on. Keep going. Come on. Woo! Holy cow. It's an eagle's nest right up here. I don't know if you guys just heard them. That big mass right there in the tree is an eagle's nest. Little woodpecker on the tree there. I don't know if you guys see it. Alright, I'm coming, buddy. Holy cow. Come on, Toki. Get some ice balls in your pad. There you go. Husky there. So guys, how you guys doing?
Great. We were the only ones who woke up this morning. Yes.
I love the snow.
Oh man, and these dogs play with it too.
We don't have much of it left this year, so I figure I might as well get out and enjoy it.
Yes, absolutely. Awesome.
Well, enjoy your day.
Yeah, you do.
Come on, Toki. Making some friends. Holy cow, am I getting tired. Woo! I think we'll end part 4 here. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You get email notifications when our new videos come out. It really helps when you hype our videos. I appreciate everybody who watches. That's all from me, the Tokemeister. See ya.
Join us every Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. Central and 8:30 p.m. Eastern. Ow!
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.